Hello students, today we will discuss about the main memory. You know, this main memory is also known as primary memory. It is predefined working place where it temporarily keeps informations and data. Okay, so this main memory, already I have told you, it is known as also primary memory. That information stored in a proper place. Each memory location has a unique memory address, and when the task performed, it clears its memory and memory space is then available for the next task to be performed. Okay, so when the power is switched off, everything stored to the memory gets erased and cannot be recalled. Okay, we cannot recall. It is known as volatile. That means we cannot recall those data if power supply will be not there, or in between the power is switched off. The memory of computer can be thought of as cell. Each of these cells is further broken down into smaller parts, which is known as bits. I'll show you one picture. You just see 0 1 1 0 1, this 1 0, these are known as 1 bit. We are saying it is a bit. A bit means that is full form is binary digit, either 0 or 1, they are known as bit. A number of bits together is known as byte. That means 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Okay, so we'll discuss today now the next the units of computer memory management. What are the various units are there? You see, these are the units. Bit 0 and 1 are known as the bit, which is known as binary digit, the full form. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. This 1024 bytes can also be you can represent 2 to the power 10, because 1024 equal to 2 to the power 10. 1 MB equal to 1024 KB, or you can say 2 to the power 10 KB, means kilobyte. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. In between always the difference is 1024, and 1024 can be represented as 2 to the power 10 also. Suppose you want to calculate 1 GB equal to how many bytes, means 1024 MB into 1024 into 1024, means 3 times. So you can write 1024 to the power 3, or 1024 into 1024 into 1024, or you can write 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 10, or you can write 2 to the power 10 plus 10 plus 10, means 2 to the power 30. So 1024, no need to calculate. When the questions will be there, no need to calculate at all, just write the formula. 1 GB equal to how many bytes? 1024 to the power 3, or 2 to the power 30 you can write. 2 GB equal to how many bytes? 2 into 2 to the power 30. Like that you will write, no need to calculate at all. Like that 1 TB equal to 1024 GB, 1 PB equal to 1024 TB, 1 EB means exabyte equal to 1024 PB, 1 ZB means zettabyte equal to 1024 EB. So lowest one is means smallest one is bit, and highest one is zettabyte, or we can say it is ZB. Okay, so we'll discuss now the parts of memory. Let us discuss the parts of memory. Generally memory are divided into two parts. One is RAM and one is ROM. RAM means random access memory, we are saying, and information transfer from any desired random locations. That's why it is known as the random access memory, and it is volatile in nature. Volatile in the sense, already I have discussed, if when the power switched off, everything stored in the memory get erased. Okay, it is known as RAM. There are basic two types are there. One is DRAM, dynamic RAM, and SRAM, static RAM. Okay, so we'll discuss the next one, that is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. That means it is a memory unit that performs the read operations only the read operations. Okay, it does not have a write capability. So this implies, okay, it means what, that binary informations stored in ROM that is made permanent during the hardware productions and units and cannot be altered by writing different words into it. Okay, hence it is known as non-volatile. Non-volatile means, what do you mean by non-volatile? Just opposite of volatile, means when power is switched off, everything will not be erased, means we can store it permanently. That's why it is known as, what is that? That is known as non-volatile in nature. See, so this basic types of ROMs are PROM, 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 programmable read-only memory, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory, EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. No need to go in details, just you remember only the full form. Okay, full form and its different types. So let us discuss most common storage devices. What are the different storage devices? We'll discuss first. Okay, what are the different storage units are there? So computer needs to store and retrieve data for processing. Since primary memory has a limit storage capacity and is not permanent, secondary storage devices are used to store large amount of data permanently, because in primary memory we cannot store, in mobile also we cannot store more data. That's why we need to use secondary devices so that we can store the data permanently and more data also we can store. Okay, so let us see what are the different secondary devices are there. One, first we will discuss the hard disk. Okay, it is a hard disk. First we will discuss the hard disk memory. Store informations on one or more circular pallets. Okay, that we can say it is a disk, we can say it is the platters also, which are continuously spinning, and this rotating disk is coated with a magnetic material and stacked with space between them. Information is recorded the surface of rotating disk by magnetic heads as tiny magnetic spots. The hard disks of today's have storage capacity measured in gigabyte. Now also we are using in terabytes also, in TB. Already I have told you what is TB. TB equal to how means what is the TB, and we can convert to bytes and gigabytes or megabytes. Okay, so we are means it is now it is coming in the form of terabytes. Okay, so next one we'll discuss. Next one is compact disk or CD, we can say it is a compact disk. It is the means optical media. CD are known as optical media and relatively cheap and have a storage capacity up to 700 MB. Okay, so there are three types of CDs. Okay, one is CD-ROM, we are saying compact disk read-only memory. Second one is CD-R, compact disk recordable. Another one is CD-RW, compact disk rewritable. Remember these things, and for more information you can see the book also. Next we'll discuss the DVDs. Okay, digital versatile disk, we are saying almost it is similar but little bit color is different. Okay, it is the look is almost similar, but the able to hold about 15 times as much information and transfer it to computer about 20 times as fast as a CD-ROM. Okay, that means it is faster, more faster, and we can store more data than what? Than CD-ROM. Okay, it can hold up to 17 GB of data also. So the different types of DVDs are, that is DVD-ROM, DVD-R means DVD recordable, and DVD-RW, DVD rewritable. Okay, so we'll go for the next one. Flash memory, we can say it is a just like a pen drive, what we are using, pen drive, or we can say flash drive. Flash drive is a small ultra portable storage device with a solid state memory, that is it has no moving parts, unlike magnetic storage devices, nor does it make uses of lasers, unlike optical devices instead. Okay, so the data retained, suppose the key difference is that the data is retained in flash memory even when the power is switched off. So we can store more data here, till 128 GB and beyond also we can store the data. Next come to the another one is Blu-ray disc. It is a Blu-ray disc, just like a Blu-ray is an optical disc storage media format. It looks like CD and DVD. Its main use are high definition video and data storage. The disc has same dimension as the standard DVD and CD. For more data we are storing what we are storing? We are storing the Blu-ray disc. So remember students, these are the few about some storage unit we are discussing, you remember. Okay, so next we'll go for mobile system organization, TION, that is missing. Okay, so this mobile system CPU handles diverse types of applications but has a little power compared to computers, as mobile system run on a battery. Okay, that means it has a little power consumption. Which one? Mobile one. So we'll discuss the different parts, different components. The first one is the mobile processors. This is a brain of smartphone, we are saying. The CPU receives commands, makes instant calculations, plays audio, video, store information and send signals throughout the device. Okay, the CPU of a mobile system has majority two subprocessor types. Okay, one is communication processing type, one is application processing type. So just you read the book for more details. No need to explain, no need to remember, only the type you remember, the name you remember. Next one is a display subsystem. This subsystem is responsible for providing display facility, touch sensitivity interface and touch sensitivity keyboards. For this purpose we are using. Next one is camera subsystem. This is designed to deliver the tightly bound image processing package and enable an improved overall picture and video experience. Okay, so it has a integrated image signal processor, ensure things like instant image capture, high resolution support, image stabilizations, okay, and other image enhancements. Next is mobile system memory. So like the other counterparts, a mobile system also needs memory at work. A mobile system's memory is comprised of following two types of memories. One is RAM, random access memory, and one is ROM, just like the computer or PC. Next one is storage. The external storage of mobile system is also called expandable storage. It comes in the form of SD cards and micro SD cards also, etc. Okay. Next one is power management subsystem. Okay, this subsystem is responsible for providing power to a mobile system. The mobile system's work or limited power provided through an attached battery units. Okay, it is a management subsystem, that means power supply part is in this system. So I hope students you understood all the things. So just read the book thoroughly and ask the doubts whatever you are having in the next class. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.